Question is asking what is the value of this particular integral. The integral to be evaluated, I'll call it as I now, okay. So we know one formula, integral x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So I can say 2x minus 3 to the power of 6 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. See, according to the chain rule of differentiation, into 2 should have happened. Here divided by 2, correct? Plus this part can be written as now 7x minus 5 to the power of minus 3. So I can say 7x minus 5 to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2 multiplied by 7, correct? Plus this part can be written as 5x minus 4 to the power of minus half, correct? Because root is nothing but power of half. So I can write 5x plus 4, 5x minus 4 to the power of 5x minus 4 to the power of half divided by half multiplied by 5, correct? So then plus log mod 2 minus 3x divided by minus 3 plus this can be written as 3x plus 2 to the power of half. So I can say 3x plus 2 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus what is it? C. Are you getting it? So I is equal to, you can say 2x minus 3 to the power of 6 divided by 12 minus of 1 divided by 14 times 7x minus 5 the whole square, correct? Plus 2 by 5, and this is nothing but root of 5x minus 4, 2 by 5 root of 5x minus 4, okay, minus 1 divided by 3 log to the base e mod 2 minus 3x, and then plus 2 divided by 3, 3x plus 2 to the power of what is it? 2 by 3 plus c. This would be the required answer to the given question. Whatever matches with the option, that's the answer to the question.